Alright guys, what's up? It's Dave. So we're out here fishing on the ocean today. We got some shrimp. And we got some mullet. So we're about to get baited up. We're gonna cast out, see what we can catch. There we go guys. There's a fish. What we got? What we got?
Oh, that's cool. We actually got to see one.
I'm all tangled up in this other pole.
Which one?
This here. No, it's a sheep's head.
It's a spade fish.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Those have to be 14 inches.
Okay.
What's the matter? Your line won't bring it up?
No, I'm tangled up in this rod. I'm gonna have to come on this side.
Need help? I'll help you.
They fight like crazy.
Yeah, he's fighting pretty good.
That's a nice fish.
What fish is that?
It said it's called a spade fish.
What'd you catch that on?
Shrimp.
That.
There we go.
Hey, come on down there and grab some more line from this pool.
We get something.
Alright. There we go guys. Look at that. That's beautiful. It's small, but I guess these gotta be 14 inches to keep. That's a beautiful fish though.